Welcome to eBaum's Computer Education Training channel. Please subscribe to my channel for training in computer education by clicking the red button below the video description. Thank you for supporting my channel. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Let's start to learn how to save your work in Excel. Now that your spreadsheet is coming along nicely, you'll want to save your work. To save your spreadsheet, do the following. Click the File tab in the top left of the Excel, this one. When you click the File tab, you'll see the options list appear. Click Save As, then choose Browse, then the following dialog box will appear. Type your name and then click Save to finish save your document. Currency symbols in Excel. Look at the following spreadsheet, which you'll shortly be creating. The C column has a heading of price each. The prices all have the currency symbol. To insert the currency symbol, do this. Enter some prices on a spreadsheet, any will do, and highlight the cells. With the cells highlighted, locate the number panel on the Excel ribbon bar, on the Home tab. Click the drop-down list that says General. You'll then be presented with a list of options. Click the currency item to add a pound sign. But if you're not in the UK, you'll see the default currency for your country. To see other currencies, click on More, or More Number Formats. The Format Cells dialog box appears. In the category list, click on Currency. Select a currency sign from the symbol list. The dialog box will then look like this. Click OK to set the pound sign as the currency. How to merge cells. Study this spreadsheet. If you look at row 1, you'll see that the shopping bill heading stretches across 3 cells. This is not 3 separate cells, with a color change for each individual cell. The A1, B1 and C1 cells were merged. To merge cells, do the following. Type the words shopping bill into cell A1 of a spreadsheet. Highlight the cells A1, B1 and C1. On the Alignment panel of the Excel ribbon, locate the Merge and Center item. Click on Merge and Center. Your 3 cells will then become 1, A1, to be exact. You can buy my book by clicking the link below the video description to support me. Thanks. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red button below the video description.